If you're tired of trying to stay high vibe and just want a gentle way to lift your energy so you can feel lighter again, let's call in the angels and a few crystal allies so you can lift your inner energy without pretending you're perfect. The angel we're working with today is Angel Chiroum, Chairoum, Chiroum or Chiroum, however you like to pronounce his or her name. So we have bloodstone for protection and inner clarity, spiritual awakening, and courageous transformation. Yes, I'm reading from my notes so that I can get what I need to out for you and then channel the rest. We have yellow calcite that then corresponds with your sacral chakra. Your solar plexus. It also helps to bring in energy, a higher vibe in a gentle, compassionate way. And then we have chevron amethyst. White is for protection and clearing your spiritual path. And the amethyst is for your crown chakra to help you connect more easily, more clearly, and more instantaneously as you desire. Angel Chiroum is an angel prince of the north, and he is going to help you or can help you strengthen your inner confidence so that you feel even more connected to who you truly are in whatever moment you're facing right now. So what does all this mean? You want a boost? Yellow calcite. You want more spiritual awakening and courageous courageous transformation. I can't read my own writing. Then bloodstone. It's also excellent for protection. And as we are feeling protected energetically and emotionally and even spiritually, then that can naturally raise our inner vibration that then radiates outward. And we can even connect through our crown chakra more, more easily. It doesn't have to be like a big charge because amethyst is a protection stone in the sense that it helps to burn off some of the negativity, being that purple, the purple vibe, right? The purple light, thank you. And then the white in the chevron amethyst. So this is a little bit different than just the usual deep purple or light lavendery amethyst. Chevron amethyst has white bands, and you can see them here. And it also helps to connect with your higher self, but then you can connect with your inner intuitive self so that you believe, you trust, and more easily recognize the intuitive hits wherever they land for you, inside your head or just on the outside behind your ears, okay? In the back of your head somewhere, the base of your neck, the forehead, not here. In an earlier video, we helped explain, I think it's in the video course actually, that here is where the chitter chatter goes from your conscious mind or comes through and sounds most like your own voice talking to you. So, Angel Chiroum, he's the angel prince of the north. North has a lot of power. The direction of north, like the North Star, kind of like a directional beam of energy, of light coming to you and can come and flow into and through and around you. He can help strengthen your the belief in yourself within you, not just here. Here's a good place to start, your conscious mind, right? So then it moves down into your heart center so that you feel the belief. And then the belief travels or feels more connected, more grounded. It's like a deeper level, not lower, but deeper level within you so that everything is aligned. When everything is aligned, like during a meditation or just that sense of I've got this, whatever your this is. It can be that sense of just that knowing. When you have that sense of knowing, everything is balanced, everything is aligned, and you just have this knowing. I know that I know this is a truth. I know this is my truth. And that whatever you're working on or towards just simply is. In that moment, it's so much easier to feel the inner vibration, yours, to be kind of quiet, because there's no um, conversation of what not to do, what it didn't do, what might happen, what might not happen, all that stuff that the conscious mind just loves to just throw at us. Okay, so an easy practice to lift your energy. So you don't have your crystals with you, okay? Or you don't have these yet. Use what you have. So if you have a yellow stone, and maybe you have a protection stone, and you have some form of amethyst, okay? And even if you have these three specific ones, but they're not with you in this moment, when you can be somewhere where you can just be with yourself for 30 to 60 seconds max, and close your eyes, not while you're driving. I think this will be an easier one because we were talking about a gentle lift of energy. So yellow calcite, yellow calcite. um, let's see, yellow jasper, although that's denser. So this one has white in it, so that's why I like yellow calcite for this particular ritual. Don't have it, can't find it, you can tap into my beautiful piece anytime you like. Okay, so it's not with you. Just imagine this beautiful yellow calcite and breathe in. You can even imagine breathing in sunlight. Gently, and exhale. So breathe in yellow light, breathe out any gray, breathe in yellow light, breathe out any darkness, breathe in yellow light, breathe out yellow light. It is that simple. If you have a yellow candle, that could work. Okay. If you have bloodstone and you prefer to use it, you can imagine that it's in your hand, and the termination, the point is facing in or towards your wrist. Okay. So you can just hold it and breathe in white light, and breathe in, breathe out any darkness or shadows. Breathe in white light and breathe out. Breathe in white light, breathe out white light. Okay. Now, if you prefer amethyst, you can use a regular amethyst if that's what you have. Chevron amethyst is best for this because it has energy purification and clearing your path, spiritual protection, as well as connecting with your crown chakra to your higher self and your inner intuitive self. Okay. And if it's a sphere, hold it in both of your hands. Breathe in purple light. Breathe out any shadows or darkness. Breathe in purple light. Breathe out breathe out, then breathe in purple light, and breathe out purple light. And that is your simple. And the angel, I did forget to mention him. Okay. So you don't remember the angel's name. Angel, please help me raise my vibration from the inside out. I'm not trying to be perfect. I just want to raise my vibration so I feel lighter, so this heaviness dissolves and goes away as much as possible in this moment. Do you have to say it exactly like that? No. Something similar. You could even keep it simple as angels, please help me right now. And then connect with whichever crystal you resonate with the most. And it's just one, 3 breaths for one cycle, because you can do that in 60 seconds or less. And then just trust. Now, if in a few minutes you still feel a bit heavy, it's okay. Just repeat the cycle. Do it again. Breathe in and breathe out, and imagine all the junkalitis, the darkness, the shadows, the whatever. We're not naming anything by on purpose, so that the conscious mind doesn't just latch on to the thing we're wanting to let go of to raise our inner vibration. Then remember to thank the angel, and this angel's name is Angel Chiroum, Chairoum. He is the angel prince of the north and will help you strengthen your inner confidence, your sense of confidence and resilience, even when the world feels chaotic. Until next time, beautiful soul, would love to know how this helps you, or if you have any questions, and have an amazing day. Namaste.